Hello InvTraX. Choosing a broker can be a daunting task, especially with so many options available. With the rise of online trading, it has become easier than ever to access the foreign exchange market, also known as Forex, and invest in currency pairs, commodities, and other financial instruments. However, with so many brokers to choose from, it can be difficult to determine which one is right for you. In this video, we will discuss a few key criteria to consider when choosing a Forex broker, so that you can make a confident and informed decision. The first and most important criteria to consider when choosing a Forex broker is regulation. It is crucial that you only consider brokers that are regulated by a reputable body. This ensures that the broker is operating legally, and that your funds are protected in case of any issues. The easiest way to determine if a firm is regulated is to look at the footer at the bottom of their homepage or their About Us page. Firms that are regulated are proud of it, and usually have to display it all over the place anyways, per regulation guidelines. If you can't find any information about regulation, it's best to avoid that broker. Some common regulatory bodies you will see are the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, in the United States, the Financial Services Authority, FSA, in the United Kingdom, the Financial Services Agency, FSA, in Japan, the Securities and Futures Commission, SFC, in Hong Kong, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, in Australia, and the Investment Industry Regulatory Organisation of Canada, IIROC, in Canada. The second criteria to consider is a broker's reputation and policies. This can be discovered quickly by doing a simple online search in a few forums. The Forex trading community is quite vocal, so by reading a few forums you'll quickly get a sense of where other traders put their money. Of course, with anything online, it is important to be sure of the credibility of the information, so make sure you look at a few different sources to get a good consensus of what the majority of traders are saying about different brokers. Also, you can check the broker's policies like the deposit and withdrawal process, minimum trade size and leverage they are offering, and the fees they charge. The third criteria is the currencies offered. Every firm will provide you with the major currencies to trade: AUD, CAD, CHF, EUR, GBP, JPY, and USD. But if you want to keep an eye on other non-major currencies for some reason, then check into this, as many of the smaller brokers do not offer alternative choices. In saying this, make sure you understand their spread and margin policies as well. Spreads are the difference between the bid and ask price of a currency pair, and the tighter the spread, the better for you as a trader. Some brokers offer fixed spreads, which do not move and tend to be generally wider overall, and some offer variable spreads, which fluctuate based on the current market conditions and tend to be tighter overall. The fourth criteria is margin policy, or leverage, and trade size. Be sure to check what margin your broker offers. Depending on the location of your broker, they may offer you leverage of 20 to 1, 5% margin, 50 to 1, 2% margin, 100 to 1, 1% margin, or more. Recently, regulation globally has curbed this a bit, as there is no reason you should need leverage more than 100 to 1, 1% margin, and even that is excessive, but you'll want to check to make sure. Furthermore, many brokers will offer you a choice of standard, mini, or micro lots to choose from. Check to make sure your broker provides you with the options you need. Finally, the fifth criteria is customer service. As mentioned earlier, it is crucial to have a broker that values your needs and can provide you with round-the-clock support. Large, well-established firms will easily be able to handle any issues that may arise, and will have very good procedures in place to take care of you for any of your needs. Additionally, be sure to check if the broker provides additional support such as educational materials, webinars, market analysis, and other resources. Choosing a Forex broker can be overwhelming, but by considering these key criteria, you can make a confident and informed decision. Be sure to check the broker's regulation, reputation, policies, currency options, margin and trade size, and customer service. By considering all of these factors, you will be able to find a broker that best suits your needs and helps you to succeed in the Forex market. Let us know your questions in the comments section. Looking for free trading signals? Then join our Telegram channel today. Link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more value-adding content and like the video as well. Watching on Facebook? Then don't forget to follow the page. See you back here.